Na-gift ni Absi D. It's going to open the gift.
Bigyan ng baby mo. Yung baby, brother or sister.
Break. Ano mo yan? Spirit.
Wow, ano ba yan?
Pansit canton yan eh.
Siguro pansit kan.
Pansit canton, spaghetti.
What do you think? What's that?
I think that's, pitsuna. I think that's the
This is my tablet.
Wow!
My favorite tablet.
Wow! Do you like it? Open.
Ang tulis mo naman.
Show me. Do you like it?
Yeah. I'll give you the case on my tablet.
Case lang?
Yeah.
At least we, fix it. Oh, full fun. What will you say?
I love you, yeah.